I don't know about you, but I've seen so many makeup and beauty influencer videos where they show all of their favorite products that are super expensive and really out of my price range for sure. And to see products that are affordable, those are few and far between. Now, I am not an influencer fashion or anything by any stretch of the imagination. I don't claim to be, nor will I ever try to be. So I'll put that disclaimer out there. But I do want to share some things that I just think are my favorite tried and true items. These are items that I've had around my house and have used, you know, day in, day out for years. These aren't just something that I just came upon last week and got excited and wanted to share about. These are tried and true products that I have loved and used for years. And the best part is most of them, there's a few that aren't, but for the most part, they are really, really affordable and budget friendly items. So let's get started. So first and foremost is my absolute favorite mascara. I have tried so many different types and brands over the years, from just the drugstore kind to the more expensive kind that, you know, maybe come in like a Fit Fab Fun box or something like that, or just kind of splurged on what someone told me was a really good mascara. And so I said, okay, well, let me trust you. And I bit the bullet and I spent so much money and I kind of was left disappointed. So this one is L'Oreal Lash Paradise. I don't know if you can see that too well. I'll link everything below. This is just L'Oreal. This is a drugstore mascara. It's not expensive. I get this on Amazon and I have it come through Subscribe and Save. I get it every 3 months or something like that. And it is my favorite. I get complimented on my eyelashes. I know one trick I do is I use mascara on both the front of my eyelashes and the back of my eyelashes to give it like an extra, like make sure it's all coated all around. But this just works really, really, really well. Again, I have tried expensive ones that I have liked, expensive ones that I haven't liked. This works just as well. Next is another skincare product. This is called A Cure, and it is a wellness serum. It is organic. I get this again on Amazon. I just have it Subscribe and Save, so it comes every couple months or so, like something like that. I put it on in the morning, at night, just 2 pumps, and it is the best. If you have like normal to dry skin, it leaves your skin feeling so moisturized and soft and glowing, and it just feels so good, but it's not greasy and oily. It is the best serum. I've tried other serums before, and a lot of times they just leave my face all dried out. So I recommend this serum. It is really, really, really good. Next, I have my cleanser. What I use for washing my face is Burt's Bees. This is the deep cleaning cream. And the reason I love this is because, okay, can I just say, let me back up. I did Fit Fab Fun boxes for several years. And in those boxes, they always give you a variety of things. And a lot of times it is facial care. And so you have the ability to, and they're always good quality, like they really are. But you also have the ability to like add on products that you want. You get the chance to try really expensive, high quality items for a much, much, much cheaper price. So I would add on items. So over the years, I was able to try so many different items for such a like really good price because of that. So I've tried so many different facial washes and cleansers and all of that, and they always leave my skin so dry. And I hate the like dry feeling you get after you wash your face, where it feels like just all of your skin has been stripped off. That is the worst feeling. Well, maybe not the worst feeling, but it is. I don't like that feeling. So this really, really, really like leaves your skin really moisturized and fresh. It has like a nice cooling feeling when you apply it, and it just works really great for my skin. And it's a cream. It's not like a gel or anything like that. So this one I love. I will never use anything else to wash my face but this one. So next I have it. This is for my girls, my children. I have been using this brand since my oldest ones were like babies. I really, really love this brand. It's my favorite. It is not the cheapest like shampoo, body wash or anything, but it works. It's good ingredients, high quality, and it smells really, really good. I don't know what happened to the lid. We're almost finished with this bottle. Actually, I have to get a new one. But the brand is Shea Moisture. And this is Mango and Carrots. This is a nourishing shampoo. They have some for babies too. They had a lot more products a few years ago that smelled really, really, really good that they've kind of, for some reason, discontinued, which I was always really sad about because I really love them and use them. So I still do get this one. Again, this is the kids. They have a baby version too, but this Mango and Carrots just smells so, so good. I really love it. It is, again, maybe like $10 for this bottle, but a little bit does go a long way. And again, it's clean ingredients, so that is an added perk as well. Next, this is something that I've been using for a few years now, and it is the Method Daily Shower Spray. So after you get out of the shower, you just spray this down and you spray your shower down, and you don't have to like scrub it out or anything. And it makes your shower, kind of helps keep the mold at bay and kind of just cleans it without having to scrub it. Yes, of course, you still are going to have to clean your bathtub, but this just kind of helps for in between cleanings, and it smells so, so, so good. It just makes my bathroom smell so nice and refreshed. This is the brand, or this is the scent Ylang Ylang. Can you see that? Yeah. So they sell this in like Target. I'm sure they have it at Walmart, but I haven't been able to find this specific scent anywhere except Grove. So these work. I just love the smell of it. It kind of just keeps feel like everything is fresh if we're in between cleaning of the bathtub. Okay, next is like kind of on my list, but kind of not. It is, and I've shared them before, and it's nothing earth-shattering. It's just Mrs. Meyer's cleaner. They have the best smelling cleaner ever. And but the thing is that their prices for a bottle like this, which actually goes pretty quick, this one's like pretty much empty, their prices, they started off at like $3.50 a bottle, and then went up to like $4, and then $4.29, and now it's up to $5 a bottle, which right now I just can't justify that. No matter how good it smells, I just can't justify paying $5 a bottle for cleaning spray at this point in time. But I do absolutely love their scents. And again, you can't go to Target. They don't have the good scents. This good scents you have to get either from Grove, or I just go directly to mrsmeyers.com. If you order $40 worth of product, which is easy to do, you could stock up. I would stock up for the spring and the summer, and then I would stock up on their fall and winter scents, and that would last me for 6 months. I would stock up, and you get free shipping. And they have so many more variety of scents. This one is radish, which sounds like gross. I don't want my house smelling like radishes, but none of the scents actually smell like the actual thing. It's a little bit strange. Anyway, their scents are really, really good. So maybe in the spring and the summer, I will pick back up. We'll see, but it didn't happen this fall and winter, but they really do have the best smelling cleaning spray, and it just makes cleaning that much more pleasant and tolerable. Okay, next I have, it's a supplement. So, you know, if you feel uncomfortable taking a supplement just willy-nilly, you can talk it over with your doctor. This is not meant to give medical advice or replace doctor's advice or recommendation. But this works really well for me and for several people I know who take this. This is called Calm, and it is magnesium citrate. So this is a powder mix. They have this in capsule form, but I like the powder better. I get this at Costco, and it's maybe $20 for this whole bottle, but it lasts. There's 142 servings in here. So it definitely is going to last you. You're going to get your money's worth out of it. I notice around certain times of the month, I would be very like overly emotional, like more so, you know, when your logic kicks in and kind of counteracts with like your emotions. So I was kind of looking it up and I realized that I was probably a little bit deficient in magnesium. And so I have taken this pretty much every day, and I do. And if I go for several days without it, I can tell a difference. It's going to kind of help keep those, you know, kind of regulate those emotions a little bit, hormones. Again, it's not to take the place of any like medication that you might need, but it does. I feel like this has helped me, and it's just magnesium, so it should not interfere. But again, if you're kind of questioning and wondering, just talk it over with your doctor. Next one is going to be my favorite. I've loved this for several years, peppermint tea. So I'm not brand loyal. This is just the brand that was available that I happened to pick up. It's herbal, so there's not going to be caffeine in it, but it's just really good. I love some peppermint tea. Next is I'm a big water drinker. I have water with me everywhere I go, all around. Like, my girls know. They come up to me and they're like, Mom, where's your water? Like, where can I have a sip of water? Like, they just know it's around me somewhere. And so I don't love those little tiny cups that it's like 20 ounces. You drink 3 sips and then you're done. And so you have to keep refilling your water. So my husband, for this past Mother's Day, got me this actually he got me this one. Gigantic 40-ounce stainless steel mug or tumbler, I guess. And it comes with a lid, comes with a straw. And so I got it at Target, happened to get another 2. I picked 2 more up because I loved it so much. I picked 2 more up at Costco this summer, and the 2 were the same price as 1 from Target. So I like that these come with, I always drink it out of the straw, but if you don't really like the straw, that part closes and you can just open it and drink it out of there like that, or not even use the lid. But I love that it has a handle. So we have 3 of these. This is the only thing I drink out of now. I love any stainless steel cup because I like my water nice and cold, but I definitely recommend that brand is Reduce. I'll try to link it if I can find it. Another random one, this one's so random, but I just have to share it. This is from Trader Joe's. It is my favorite, probably my favorite item in all of Trader Joe's. And it is the potato latkes. Is it latkes or latkes? Whatever, it's the potato pancake. It says it right here. They are so good. I love these. I'm obsessed with them. I love them probably much more than I should, to be honest. And I love them in the morning. You can either air fry them or saute them. You can add a little bit of sour cream or just eat them plain. They are so good. I love them so much. Also, another one really good from Trader Joe's is their tamales. Their tamales are really, really good. You have to cook them exactly how Trader Joe's says, but if you do that, they're actually really, really, really good. So those are the 2 recommendations. Trader Joe's has a million things, but those are my 2 favorite things. Okay, so this product is a little bit, okay, it's expensive. I'm not gonna lie. This one is expensive, but it is 100% worth it. So it is a pillow. It is a Coop pillow. The brand is Coop, and I love this pillow so much, so much. So it is worth every penny. I really, really hate like getting these nice fluffy pillows that look so great, and then you have them for like a month and they're all flat as a pancake and like not comfortable. I don't sleep well. They get all mushy and just awful. And I've never, ever, ever been able to find a pillow that just keeps its form and stays solid and stays thick and nice and lovely and comfy and cozy. And this is it. I have had this honestly for a few years. And I know that sounds like gross. You've had pillows for years, but you wash them. I wash these regularly and they come out fine. They come out even fluffier than before, and they're worth it. If you don't like the flat pancake pillows, you like something that's soft and like squishy, you can just see how comfy this is. This pillow is several years old and it still holds its shape. And it also comes with extra filling. So if you need it even fluffier, you can add an extra filling. If you don't want it that fluffy, you kind of want something a little bit, you can take some of it out. It's amazing. This is the best pillow. I will never use another pillow in my life. No exaggeration. Like, this is the best, absolute best pillow. And it's funny because I'm such a homeschool mom. It's called Coop. I want to say Co-op. It's not a Co-op pillow. It's Coop pillow. And so I'll link everything I can down below so that you can check them out for yourself. Then next I have these I got a few years ago, and I think they still have something very similar on their website. They're from Loft. The brand is Lou in Gray. They are sweatpants, but they're not joggers. They're like loose at the bottom. They are the most comfy, soft sweatpants ever. I have 2 pair in black and I have 1 pair in gray. Now I've had these for like 4 years and they're still so soft and like snuggly. They're not too hot. They're not too cold. They're perfect. They're the Goldilocks of sweatpants. They're just right. Or the baby bear. They're the baby bear sweatpants. They're just right. They are a little bit expensive, but I feel like Loft always has like 50% off plus an additional 15% off. So if you go at the right time, I would never pay full price for these, but I was able to get these like 50% off. And they were around like $30 or something like that, which again, to me is a little bit more than I like to pay for sweatpants, but they were worth every single penny. Like I said, I bought 3 pairs of them. I love them that much. They are totally worth it. I could wear them every single day of my life. So I hope you enjoyed seeing some of my favorite things. Again, most of this is just plain, simple, run-of-the-mill products, nothing crazy, nothing fancy, but I definitely use them all in day-to-day life and products that I have just loved for years that I figured I should just share with some of my friends. If you did like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you have not subscribed, make sure to stick around. I share mostly homeschooling content, like I said, but sometimes I just share fun and different type of lifestyle and motherhood content. I hope you have a great day, and I appreciate you being here so much. You take care. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.